Hello students, this is your political science class, and in the previous live class uh, we are discussing about the about some arguments against the democracy. So let's continue after that. Clearly democracy is not a magical solution for all the problems. We all know that it is not like if you expect that democracy is the solution of all the problems you face. That is not correct. Okay, it is not ended the poverty of our country or the world. Okay, democracy is only ensure that people can take their decision by themselves. Okay, it is not necessary that their decision always correct, but it gives the opportunity to take their decision to themselves, and the people who are involving to take this decision does to delays in decision making. And it is also true that in democracy there is a change of leadership, but uh, it sometimes sometimes this can set back big decision and affect the government's efficiency. Okay, and all these argument against the democracy shows us that this kind of democracy is a not a ideal government, not an ideal government. Okay, and but uh, here our topic of discussion is not this. Our topic of discussion is that is democracy better than other forms of government? Okay, that we there for us to choose from. Okay, আমরা এখানে আর্গুমেন্ট এগেনস্ট ডেমোক্রেসি দেখলাম, মানে ডেমোক্রেসির বিরুদ্ধে নানা রকম আর্গুমেন্ট দেখলাম, কিন্তু আমাদের মূল বিষয় কিন্তু সেটা নয়। আমাদের মূল বিষয়টা হলো যে মূল কোশ্চেন সেটা হলো যে যেসব ডেমোক্রেসি ছাড়া আদার যেসব অন্য যেসব ফর্ম অফ গভর্নমেন্ট আছে তারা কি তারা কি আইডিয়াল, আমরা যে চুজ করব তারা কি আইডিয়াল হবে চুজ করার জন্য, সেই প্রবলেম, সেটা হচ্ছে মেন কোশ্চেন। ওকে, নেক্সট আর্গুমেন্টস ফর ডেমোক্রেসি। ওকে, বিফোর দ্যাট ইউ see this poster. This is the cartoon from Brazil, a country that has long experience of dictatorship. A dictatorship means a country where only one person is in the highest position. He take the decision and he is not chosen by the people. Okay, and it is entitled the hidden side of dictatorship. Okay, now think about it. Think about some question that what side here it is called, and it is necessary for every dictatorship to have an hidden to have a hidden side, and if possible find out about the dictators, including okay some in some countries like there are still dictatorship government. Okay, like Pinochet in Chile, Jaruzelski in Poland, Sani Abasia in Nigeria, and Ferdinand Marcos in the Philippines. Okay, let's start the argument for democracy. For the first point, an example is given here. First, understand the example. In 1958 to 1961, there is a famine in China. Famine means durvikho. Okay, durvikho means scarcity of foods. মানে খাবারের অভাবটাই কি বলে দুর্ভিক্ষ. There is a famine in China, and that was the worst recorded famine because nearly 3 crore people died in this famine. And in these days, some some economists noticed that India's economic condition was not much better than China. Okay, yet India did not have a famine of the kind that China had. Okay, and to think about the reason, the economist understand that all this is because of some governmental policies, the different of government policies in these two countries. Okay, and it is the different governmental policy, and it indicates the existence of democracy in India. That is the difference between India and China. And they also point out that also find out that in the history also no big famine occur in the any democratic country. There must be a reason, and in search of this reason they find out that in democracy the opposition party and the media also, they are given free power to criticize the ruling party. That's why they understand their mistake and try to solve them. If China had a democratic government and they also allow the media and the opposition party to criticize them, the famine may not be so much bigger. And this example brings out that by that example we can understand that democracy is the best form of government. And in democracy the leaders have to think about the about people's good. But in a non-democratic government, the leaders may or can, if they wish, they can think about people's need. But if he thinks that he did not think about people's need, they can do it. So democratic government is a better government because it is more accountable form of government. Move to the next point. The next point is a democratic country is able to take a good decision than any non-democratic government. What is the reason? The reason is it is based on consultation and discussion. Okay, in the democratic country, you not just the leader not just take a decision alone. There is a number of people by whom they consult, and after consulting them, after many uh, argument, they take the decision, and by that uh, it takes time, it is but there is a big advantage in making time over important decision. When because when many people's head put together, um, they find out the possible mistake or the possible profits about making decision, and that's why, and this reduce the chances of rash and irresponsible decision. Thus democracy improve the quality of decision making. তাহলে এখানটায় মূল পয়েন্টটা কি হলো, যে ডেমোক্রেসিতে আমরা ডিসকাশন এবং কনসালটেশনের মাধ্যমে ডিসিশন নিই, এবং যখন অনেক মাথা এক জায়গায় হবে তখন একটা ডিসিশনের পিছনে যে চান্সেসগুলো খারাপ বা ভালো সেগুলো বেরিয়ে আসবে এবং বেস্ট ডিসিশনটা নেওয়া হবে। ওকে, মুভ টু দ্য নেক্সট। Next point is to democracy provides a method to deal with differences and conflicts. You know that in our country there are many types of religion, caste, and there are different types of language, different types of practices, cultural methods, very there are very different diversity in our country, and they have their own way of thinking about the world. Okay, if you learn about their thoughts, they can clash to each other. In non-democratic country, there are only one religion that is in the power, and they are forced to force the other religion or other people to act according their religion. It result in a unhappiness, and they cannot stay a long time like that. But in a democratic country, every religion or every caste or every cultural methods are given same importance. That's why the different types of people live in this country peacefully, and that is how a country like India, that have a various types of people, it needs a democratic government. থার্ড পয়েন্টটা কী ছিল, আমাদের দেশ হচ্ছে একটা বৈচিত্র্যের দেশ, নানা চিন্তাধারার মানুষ বাস করে এখানে, এবং তাদের নানা মত। আমরা যদি সেই সব মতকে সবাই ভালো করে জানি, তাহলে তারা একে অপরের উল্টো হতে পারে। আর যে নন ডেমোক্রেটিক গভর্নমেন্ট থাকে, তাদের একটা নির্দিষ্ট চিন্তাধারা থাকে, সেই চিন্তাধারাটা সব পিপলের উপরে চাপিয়ে দেয় তারা, কিন্তু এটা তাদের আনহ্যাপি করে। কিন্তু ইন্ডিয়ার মতন যে দেশ, যেখানে অনেক রকম পিপল থাকে, এই রকম দেশে ডেমোক্রেটিক গভর্নমেন্ট সব রকম মানুষের মতামতকে গুরুত্ব দেয়, এবং তার ফলেই তারা পিসফুলি থাকতে পারে। We know about three facts or arguments for democracy, but these three arguments were about the effects of democracy on the quality of government and social life. But the strongest argument for the democracy is what is not what democracy do as a government, what democracy rather than what democracy do for the citizen, or what democracy does for the citizen. Even democracy does not bring about the better decision and accountable government, it is still the better option for, and it is still the better form of government if we uh, compare them with any other form of government. That's why democracy enhances the dignity of citizen. As we discussed above, democracy based on the principle of political equality, on recognizing that the in democratic government, all all people's status are same. If the poorest and the least educated peoples, the status of poorest and the least educated people are the same as the rich and the educated. Okay, peoples are not dependent on the ruler. They are the ruler themselves. Even if they do a mistake, they are responsible for themselves, because they are free to make their own decision. They do not act according to the ruler. সবথেকে স্ট্রংগেস্ট আর্গুমেন্ট ফর ডেমোক্রেসি হলো ডেমোক্রেসির জন্য সবথেকে স্ট্রংগেস্ট আর্গুমেন্ট হলো যে ডেমোক্রেসিতে সবথেকে ইম্পর্টেন্ট হলো সিটিজেন্স। এখানে এই রকম গভর্নমেন্টে, ডেমোক্রেটিক গভর্নমেন্টে সব পিপলই সমান এবং তারা নিজেদের ডিসিশন নিজেরা নিতে পারে, এবং তারা যদি কোনো ভুলও করে তার জন্য তারা নিজেরাই দায়ী থাকে। And the final argument for the democracy is democracy is better than other form of government because it allows us to correct its own mistake. Okay, we our democracy cannot guarantee that all their decisions are right, and mistake cannot happen. No government can guarantee that they cannot do any mistake, but in democracy there is a place to correct their mistakes, and it is not hidden for long. And if the government do any mistake, we have our we are free to make word against them, and either the rulers have to change their decision, or the rulers can be changed. This cannot happen in a non-democratic government. If we understand that, or if we recognize that the government or the rulers do a mistake, we can tell about that mistake, and we can change the decision made by government or change the ruler. But in non-democratic country, people do not have any facilities like that. They cannot allowed to discuss about the mistakes of the government. ডেমোক্রেসিতে সবথেকে স্ট্রংগেস্ট যে আর্গুমেন্ট ডেমোক্রেসির পক্ষে সেটা হলো যে এখানে যদি রুলার্সরা কিছু ভুল করে তাহলে পিপলরা সেটা তার এগেনস্টে বলতে পারে এবং তারা চাইলে গভর্নমেন্ট রুলার যারা তাদেরকে চেঞ্জ করতে পারে। কিন্তু নন ডেমোক্রেটিক কান্ট্রিতে নন ডেমোক্রেটিক গভর্নমেন্টে এটা হয় না। তারা যারা সাধারণ পিপল মানে যারা কমন ম্যান তাদেরকে অ্যালাউ করা হয় না যে গভর্নমেন্টের ভুল ধরার জন্য। ওকে, লেটস সাম ইট আপ। By learning all these arguments, we can understand that democracy is the best form of government if we compare them with the other form of government. As this form of government have some flaws, but that this is the best form of government because it offers better chances to a good decision and it is likely to respect people's own decision, and that's why different type of people live together. Even if the government has any government have taken any wrong decision, we have the power to tell the government about that mistake. So that is why democracy is considered the best form of government. আমরা তাহলে এইসব যে আর্গুমেন্টগুলো পড়লাম এই আর্গুমেন্ট মাধ্যমে আমরা বুঝতে পারলাম যে অন্য যেসব গভর্নমেন্ট আছে তাদের তুলনায় ডেমোক্রেসি হচ্ছে, তাদের সাথে যদি আমরা তুলনা করি ডেমোক্রেসি হচ্ছে সব থেকে বেস্ট। যদিও এর কিছু ভুলভ্রান্তি আছে তা হলেও অন্য গভর্নমেন্টের তুলনায় ডেমোক্রেটিক গভর্নমেন্ট ইজ দ্য বেস্ট option or the best choice. Now look at this cartoon. A man says that the Liberal Party is arrogant, they broken their trust in government, but still they want the Liberal Party back in government. So this cartoon was published in Canada just before its parliamentary election of 2004. Everyone, including the cartoonist, expected that Liberal Party to win once again. When the result came, the Liberal Party lost the election. What do you think what this cartoon says? It is against the democracy or for the democracy? Okay, look here an interesting thing is given. There are two people, one is Rajesh, another is Muzaffar. Okay, they read an article and they find out that there was wars between two countries, but there were no wars between two democratic countries. If a war happen between two countries, one of the two country must be a non-democratic government. After reading this article, the two have different reaction. Rajesh said that it is only a matter of chance, and it is possible that in future mm, in two democratic country may have wars. But Muzaffar said that it is not a matter of chance, because democratic countries take decision for people's good, and in what they and their decision reduce the chances of war. What of these two reaction do you think the best? Okay, students, that's all for now. Read these topics for the democracy, and in the next live class you have asked question to me if you have any doubts. Okay, thank you.